TOS Day is an attempt to discover the most up-to-date information and guidelines regarding thoracic outlet syndrome, while also doing this in the shortest period of time. Thoracic outlet syndrome is a common and controversial disease with uncertain diagnosis and treatment. On TOS Day, we will be enlightened by distinguished speakers who are international experts and professors from different specialties from around the world. One of these distinguished speakers is Professor Carl Armstead Illig. He was born in 1962 in Rochester, New York, and graduated from Harvard University. He is currently the Director of Research and Education in Flow Vascular Institute in Houston, Texas. He was elected the Best Doctor in Tampa twice. During his academic and professional life, he worked as the director of several programs and departments. In the Smart Health Tower Fast Track Review, he will present a talk under the title Arteriovenous Access Associated Venous TOS,